YouTube, this Toys gang, you heard me? Know what I'm saying? This is some shit I do. Yeah.
Tristan on the track.
Yeah, look. This just to show you just what I just be writing when I just be on the phone or texting or whatever you think I'm doing, you heard me? This is what I be doing. Just like this, man. You know what I'm saying? But look, this just what I just scribbled up right quick, you heard me? You ain't heard that. Throw them foes up, cause my perk match my fitted cap. Nigga, I be throwing back, no jamming when I bust it back. Every time I bust it back, like bananas make it split, pussy real wet. You could say that I be stroking that, I be in and out of that. Game over, finish that. Bitch, I'm going over throttle, used to make the levers break. I be on that super cake, eating cause my cake is great. Nigga call me elevator, cause I'm on another level. Slurp slower than a turtle, cause gotta add to that. Yes, they taught me up in school, but no, I don't remember that. Watching hella cartoons, you can call it anime. Ain't me on that other shit, I be with a different chick. Riding in the colors, but the paint gotta change the shit. Mixing pills with this weed habit, shit is changing me. Hold up, hold on. Think I'm playing? Y'all must think I'm playing, bro. Look. I can't fall asleep cause a nigga irresponsible. Threw ball 4 back and drunk jam with the last one. Humbug like screws nigga cause I don't wanna share them. Colors with 412s, turn it up so you can hear them. Everybody in the parking lot wanna steal them. Make an attempt to steal them and trade your life for them. Name the right price, taught the game, repossess him. Try to protect him and you lay down with him. It don't matter if it's broad day, we gotta sleep him. I had to leave him leaking because of what he claiming. Last thing he said was, please don't leave me brainless. Hit him with 4 nickels, now his soul feeling painless. No, this ain't generic, my tabs say Watson. Probably sitting on the island blowing purr with my lip partner. Hold up, I ain't done with this, man. Believe that. Look. Disintegrate many trees. A marijuana's image appears to remain polo down, but marijuana scent contain maximum THC. This kush is called horrific. Nigga, I stay ducked off. Some say I be missing. Fuck what you callin' about. I'm too busy chiefing. The nigga that I stole from, he only sell to me. I stole so many pounds, that nigga be paid for weeks. I'm a real route, the strong tendencies to chief. Piffin on exotic, so potent, thought it was primo. Had my nigga Rambo, leaning like he play limbo. This is not legal, choking like it is lethal. Bet 50 grand that you can't burn the whole ground. And if you succeed, then too goofy dog you will be. Next, I have taken my payment back cause I have proved it. Have you ever burned some gray weed called ruthless, associated with smokers, nothing plus, nothing minus? Hold on, let me get another beat for y'all. I think they hear me. This paint changed colors, call this shit chameleon. My money getting big, always knew I make a million. 2 bitches from Sweden, call them double Dutch. They get another piece, but nothing else from us. Pistol in your mouth, do you comprehend my statement? Make the right statement and tell me where the A is. You dudes under me, probably live up in the basement. Anti-perpetration, you dudes amaze me like watching a circus. Retired on that burgling, thought that I was perfect. it. Guess no one is perfect. I ain't me think I'm perfect. That's why she was slurping. Something click for free. Yeah, that night was worth it. Need to smoke a blunt, kinda like a nigga urgent. Don't know for certain, know that for certain. Can't explain why I staring through my curtains. Let me get him. Hold on. I ain't gonna miss him. Smoke break. Look. I think I need a doobie. Roll by Scooby. Precision on the mic. You could say a nigga do me. Why he looking stupid? Is this nigga clueless? I don't conversate. He can talk to my toolie. Boy, these niggas fool me. He do it, he a gangster. Constantly burn sticky cause I'm known to smell stinky. Last pill in a 10 pack. It's a Power Ranger. I've been so high, I think a nigga need an anchor. The nigga say he strapped, but I don't see him popping. When I was locked up, the same nigga on my dick had a picture of his chick. Man, I like her. Came through and burned the ground, and then I fucked her. And yeah, it was good, but I didn't wife her. She told me harder, and I replied, Roger. Hold on. Hold on. Automatic bow and arrow. I exceed the level. Consequences of jealousy. Heat 'em like a kettle. 45 never miss. Hotter than the devil. Excelling multiple letters. It's easy to call it better. Since I birthed it with the metal. Now that boy gone forever. And I doubt that he an angel. He was thinking when I left him. Let's pass by the levee. Let's see if you can smell him. On thinking thoughts. I think an alligator smelt them. Rest in peace. Yes, I fled the scene. Romeo some purple green. Hiding in the 7 seas. $20 for an ounce of lean, but it ain't no purple thing you can keep. One coke got me out of reach. All my niggas high as me. I just roll back and fall asleep. You see me, but I don't see you. It's dummy dumb dumb like I dropped out of school. Hold on. I'm back on you. Like I was saying, man, I got, look, it's gonna take a couple of videos. I got like a lot of stuff I could be throwing right now. Just that's basically what this whole video is. You know what I'm saying? I ain't doing nothing illegal, nothing illegal. I ain't even cursing. Just to be frank, yeah. So you can't even do all that hating like it. Don't even worry about it, man. Just shout out to Taj Gang. Throw them T's up, throw them G's up, TG's. Believe that. You know what I'm saying? Taj Gang, that's how we go, that's how we roll, that's how we rock. You know what I'm saying? That's how we been.